guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna make JellyStcikman on Scratch and I'm gonna show you how it works. So we can drag this board. Now let's make it. So I'll just delete the cat and draw a board. Draw a board, just a rectangle. So this is where our stickman is gonna stand. So now let's put this board in draggable mode. So when the green flag is clicked, we just simply go to sensing and add this set draggable mode. So we can drag it in full screen mode. Now let's make the foot. So let's paint a sprite and just simply add a dot, make it a little bit big so that I can drag it on this screen. And let's change the color of the board so that if it's somewhere here, we'll be able to see it. So let's just change the color of the board to gray. Like that. And let's program the foot. And let's name it left. So that we won't get confused whether this is the right or left. So let's put it there. And now when the green flag is clicked forever, it should go to the board, but a little bit at the side. So we are gonna add this go to block and then go to sensing, and let's add this block. So it should be sprite 1's X position here and sprite 1's Y position. Let's name the sprite board. Okay. So it's just like taking the left foot at the middle of the sprite. So we need it to be a little bit at the side here. So what we have to do is let's add an plus operator, add this X position there, and let's add some a number. So let's just add 20 and see where it will be. Wait. So I want it to be at the other side, so minus. Okay, it went at the other side. Maybe a little bit more. What if I put 5? Okay, 5 is perfect. Now let's make the right foot. Stop the project. Duplicate this. Name it right foot. Right foot. And only thing you need to do here is just simply get rid of the minus there, and it'll got the opposite side of the left foot. Now let's make the body. So let's just duplicate this, delete the go to block. We're not going to use that, and let's name it body. And now we just need to use the string physics, but it should work upwards. So what we have to do is Let's change the X position by taking this operator, and let's add 5 here, and let's take a negative operator, and let's add X position at this side, and the X position of the board, and now we just duplicate it and make it for the Y. But while making it for the Y, we need it to be a little bit more up. So what we have to do is, let's just change everything to Y first, then I will make the thing. And change this to Y, change this also to Y. And let's add a plus operator. Put the whole thing at the left side and at the right side. At the right side, we can add 10. Let's see where will it be. 10. So what it's doing here is it's moving with the board, but a little bit more slowly. Now let's make the head part. So what I'm going to do is just paint a sprite. Make a very big dot, not too big. Just the head size. Make it a little bit above the center of the canvas. And let's just simply take this code from the body and put it on the head. It didn't come. Do it again. Yeah, now it came. And let's change this to body and body. But when you change this, it changes to X position here. So you have to change it to Y position again. Yeah, and okay, I guess this is a perfect size. Or let's just change it to 15. Yeah, 15 looks better. Now let's add the hands. So let's duplicate the body and name this hand, left hand, left hand. So what we have to do here is let's change the board to the head. Its head is sprite 1. Let's name the sprite 1 to head. Now let's go to left hand, and this Y can be 0. Wait, yeah, I forgot to change this. So head and Y position there. Now it should go there. Maybe a little bit more downwards. So -5, -3, or -4 looks better. And we need to take it a little bit at the side. So what we have to do is, let's take a plus operator and add it on the X position here, just like I did for the Y, adding a plus operator here. Okay, add like that. Okay, now let's insert a number. Let's see how much is 5. Wait, I need to program it to go to the left side, so minus. And let's make it something like 7. I think 7 looks perfect. Yeah. And let's duplicate this. Name it the right hand. Right hand. And I'll get rid of that 2. Okay. And let's get rid of the minus there so that it will be at the right side. Yeah. Now let's add a pen extension and make one sprite to make the lines and make the body, the hands, everything. Okay. So now let's duplicate the right hand or any sprite. Delete all the code. We don't need any of these code. And let's name it pen. We'll also hide it. So when the green flag is clicked, it should hide. Let's add an extension, pen, erase all at the beginning. And let's set the color to any color you would like, land blue. And let's set the pen size to 6 or any number you like, any size you like. And let's add a forever block. And first let's start from the head to the body. So this pen should go to the head. So it'll go to the head, and then let's add this pen down, and let's go to the motions, and then it should go to body, this part, and then we have to add a pen down block. Pen up. Now we get this line from the head to the body. Now let's make it from the head, from the body, from the body to the left leg. So what I have to do is go to motions, and before the pen up, I should add this go to block, and let's add left foot. Now we got an extra line there. And now let's duplicate this and stop this project. And let's add a pen down in the middle here and change this to right. Wait, I changed it to right hand. Right foot. Okay. And also I forgot to add an erase all here so that whenever we move, the lines will be just like this. So it should erase so that it will not leave a trail of pen here. So now let's make it from the head to the both hands. So let's duplicate this part, stop the project, and then I have to select head here and left hand. We'll go to the left hand, and the same for the right hand. Yeah, and also at the last you must add the pen up. If you didn't, actually sometimes a line might come somewhere, so we have to add the pen up here. Okay, so that's it. If you like this video, please subscribe and click the bell icon. Thank you. And also, let's hide these dots that are showing here. Just simply add a hide block on all sprites except the head and the board. And that's it.